Good girl. What you got? Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Pup, 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 pup. Street, come here. Puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, ready? Ready? Look at it.
Oh, she wasn't looking.
Oh, what a very good little puppy. Come here. Okay, she's staying. Damn, she's nice. Look at this. What she's doing with her body right now is really, really cool. Just the way she's trained. Just the way she's using herself. And the fact she picks it up that quick. This is the first bird she's ever seen. Puppy! Puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Oh my God, you're staying. Puppy! Did you get that on video?
Yep.
Good girl! Good girl! I'm so proud of you! I'm so proud of you! Thank you! Thank you! Hi, bird. You want another one? Go get it.
Of course, the sun's out now, so it's
That's alright. You know what? I'm just like over the moon. Get your bird!
Yay!
Where is it? Go find your bird. Good puppy! Come here!
If he's shooting shots, should I go? I should go in the car and feed her then?
Yeah, we won't be shooting for a little bit.
Okay.
Puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Come here, puppy! Come on, pup, 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 pup! Good puppy! Oh, thank you! What a good little girl you are! I appreciate that! That was excellent! My bird. Good girl. Oh, that was good. Okay, come on. I'm just gonna